Hello, Texas. I'm Andrew Zimmern.
And I'm Barton Seaver.
And I'm Jason Driscoll, Vice President of Seafood for HEB.
We're here at HEB in celebration of our new cookbook, the Blue Food Cookbook, which celebrates sustainable and responsible sourcing and sustainable and responsible eating. HEB is a fabulous partner because they believe in the importance of taking care of our planet as much as we do.
We're really talking about sustainability as not a label, but a promise to our customers. And that's why we're really proud to be working with Fishwise. They're experts in this. They're really helping us dig more into our supply chains to ensure that they're traceable and transparent, so we're able to deliver on our commitments to our customers.
That is the kind of commitment that we'd love to see every place in America that sells food take on for themselves. Define it for their own business, but transmit that to the guest and the customer.
And what's really great about that is it takes the burden off of you, the customer, right? You can walk in the door knowing that everything in that counter is trusted, it's traceable, and there's a lot of things in there that I want to eat.
We have a lot of great varieties of local seafood caught from all over the U.S., delivered here to our store daily.
How many species at any one time are in the case across all those categories?
Today we have 55 different varieties of
55?
But some stores may carry more.
I mean, you got perfectly patterned, not only these like chevron trout here, but you've got orange, white, orange, white, orange, white coming down. You got cod, you got New England, you got Gulf, you got everything Pacific Northwest. Like as Jason was saying, this is just an incredible diversity. It's an inspiring display, right? I mean, how much of this do you want to go home with?
Yeah, all of it. And to us as seafood evangelists, we just want you to eat more seafood more times a week. You have something at every price point for every type of customer in fresh, but you also have it in frozen, which is a whole other set of value standards. I mean, it's impeccable, the quality. So not only do people not have to worry about price in the sense that you've got something for everyone, but you've already helped them make the decision about fresh and frozen, both are good. And about farmed and wild, both are good.
We're gonna be making crab cakes two ways. So Andrew and I both share recipes for the same dish to teach you that cooking seafood your way is the right way.
Let's go shopping for crab.
Awesome. We each need a pound a lump.
All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Well, thank you all for coming in.
Yeah,
Thank you for the goodies.
Here we go.
Hey everyone, I'm Chef Scott from HEB, and today I have two of America's greatest chefs with me, and we are making crab cakes.
It's just about simplicity for me. I've just got mayonnaise. I've just got Old Bay seasoning, that Chesapeake flavor.
The big difference between the two recipes is Barton likes panko, I like crushed saltines. What it has in common is probably the most important thing for anyone who's gonna make crab cakes at home, and that's let this ingredient shine.
What is important to you guys about sustainability?
Barton and I believe wholeheartedly that it's about responsible sourcing. It's about something that's good for our planet, our communities, our bodies, and ourselves. Raised in a way that's responsible and not damaging to the environment. And the great thing, about HEB is that you've already done that testing for us. Yep. Everything in that case is responsibly sourced, so it's easy for your customers. It's not so easy for customers who don't have an HEB near them.
Yes, that is true. You're absolutely right. Do you only flip once, like a pancake?
Oh, only once.
The reason you only want to cook once is you want the cakes themselves to set so they don't fall apart. I go about 4 or 5 minutes on one side max, flip it over for another 90 seconds to 2 minutes, and you're eating.
They smell great.
Why, thank you. What you're smelling is crab.
One of the reasons I don't use an egg in mine is because I like to be able to just barely warm them through. Okay. So you get the crust on the outside, so you get that nice caramelization of that crab, which is a wholly unique, amazing, incredible flavor.
Right.
And then you get this barely warmed through, so you actually get some textural as well as, sort of this custardy crab in the middle, crunchy crab on the top, but also this contrast of temperatures.
And I like an egg in mine for exactly the reason he mentioned. Mine are a little thinner. I do need to heat mine all the way through, but just barely, because that egg is insulated with the other fats in there. What happens is you get a really custardy binder around it, but not much. It's 80% by weight crab.
Right.
I like to take this sort of zesty sauce, put it on the plate. I like coleslaw. If you're gonna use greens, like arugula here, just put a little bit of citrus on there, a little bit of oil on there, make sure they're seasoned, put a little salt.
What was in yours? I know because I made the recipe, but what's in your?
It is sour cream and mustard. That's it. That's it. You can add some lemon juice, you can add some Tabasco, make it a little more zingy, a little more zippy.
We're gonna try these. Show me how you want me to eat it. Do you want the lemon? Do you want the lemon on there?
Probably with your face. Get some nice crusty.
It's a really good cake. Hands down, this is amazing.
And they're two great recipes. Neither one is better than the other. Neither one is more proper than the other. They're just both excellent.
Blue Food Cookbook, you gotta pick it up. Thank you guys so much for being here. Really appreciate it. This is awesome.
Our book is available now on bookshelves at your local HEB.